So this is 15 egg whites from making that Korean pickled egg yolk dish. And I added 4 whole eggs to give this a little color. And 3 tablespoons of butter, and this is all at low temp. And just getting the raw liquids to the edges. You notice that there's a lot in the center. That's okay. It'll get flipped. It doesn't take long, so you can't walk away from this. I've done that and messed it up. But this is going to be a frequent meal at our house since I want to make those pickled egg yolks often. We really enjoy those. And this is the sauce for the pickled egg yolks, and of course it was too much, more than I needed, because I'm making other banchans and using that. I need 2 hands. Okay. I could have done it in a smaller batch, and that just means more time standing here at the stove. Oh, and this has about a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. I use the avocado oil mayonnaise. I'm trying to get away from the seed oil stuff. Our favorite Duke's is has a soybean oil. So, and as much as I love their mayonnaise, I'm just, working toward good, better, best. Okay, this is it. Sorry, I should have got a camera stand. I'm getting salted. Oops. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but there's still some runny yolk. And that doesn't bother me, but that's not how I want to do this dish. So I turn it off and I cover it. There won't be any runny yolk when we serve it. This wasn't long. I went across my kitchen to get a plate. There's still a few raw, maybe shiny pieces, but it's pretty much done, and it will finish cooking on the plate. This is on a smaller salad plate, so that's why it looks so much. But this is it, and I like to put ketchup on it. Don't go ew until you try it. Thanks for joining me. Be a blessing and be blessed.